Hey y'all, it's Kiss. Welcome back. Today I have an unboxing for you. I've been waiting and stalking the site for my Portland leather goods to come out. So that's why I haven't shared a bag with you this week yet, because I've been waiting on this to come in and I'm waiting for another one to come in still. But anyway, I've cut the box open and I'm just going to go ahead and I haven't looked at anything yet. I just cut it open and I'm just going to go ahead and share it with you because we have got to get to a football game, but I wanted to get into this first because I've been waiting for, seems like forever, but it was only about a week. Okay. I hope everything's in here. If it is, it's just packed up. Really, I'm going to go with the small leather goods first. So here's what it's looking like so far. I just took some paper out. I got some cute little things here that I will open first. I'm going to sit the box down for right now. Okay, I think I know what this is already. They package everything up so cute. This is not sponsored by Portland Leather. I tried to be an ambassador for their company, but I didn't have any luck with that. But I still love their stuff just as much anyway. But this is bought with my own money. Okay, this is so cute. This is called a fortune cookie pouch, and it's in honey. It's a little bit darker than what I expected. I got to do something with this light to get this a little closer here. I don't know if that's any better. And I can attach this to the outside of a bag and it'd look cute like that. But yeah, this is, I love how they name their stuff after food. You'll see that in a minute. But this is so cute. I was afraid that it was going to be that the zipper was going to come down far enough on the sides that things would fall out, but I don't think they will, not with the shape of it. But it's so cute anyway. I just couldn't resist. So everything I got in this package is from the Almost Perfect line, which sometimes you can see tiny little flaws, sometimes you can't. I don't see anything on here. Unless maybe it's because now I thought maybe the zipper wasn't totally in the center, but it looks like it is. Maybe it's just because that's squished a little bit right there, but I don't care. I mean, it's still cute to me. But they have really good discounts on their Almost Perfect stuff. And you know, leather, natural leather is always going to be unique anyway, so I don't mind that at all. Okay, this is the Taco Tassel pouch. I'm afraid it might be coming off as brown, but I think this is in Merlot, I think is what I ordered. And really cute. I love the size of this. Y'all know I don't like my pouches to be huge. This is like a more matte leather than, where did the other pouch go? Oh, here it is. This is a little shinier, and this is a little more, a tiny bit more of a matte finish, but it feels so good. There's nothing like the scent of natural leather when you open one of these boxes, y'all. I don't see anything wrong with this one either. That is a beautiful color. I love that. And see, once again, it's named after food because there was the fortune cookie and this is the taco. So, I don't know, that probably entices me a little bit more. Okay, one other food-related item, if you want to call it that. Another little pouch. And then I'll get to the big thing because I got a purse too. So, just hang on. We'll get there in a minute. Don't leave me yet. Oh, I love this color. This is the ballpark pouch. You see why? That's so cute. I could see myself putting sunglasses in here and pens and no telling what else. Makeup. This is in turmeric, I think. Okay. The zipper is a tiny little bit wonky on the side here. Maybe that's why this is almost perfect. I don't know. But I don't see anything wrong with it either. So I got these 3 small pieces and a small purse for $120. I mean, I had some credits, so that helps. But this is so cute. I've heard people mention that different colors of the leather have a different scent to them. And I see what they mean. This one is a more faint scent than the darker one. Maybe it's the dye, I don't know. But they all have the Portland Leather Goods stamp on them here. Maybe I need to hold it back here so I don't have it right up in your face. Okay. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to get my scissors again because this is another package in a package here. Let me see if I can get into it. I don't know if I can or not with these nails. I don't know if I can do it. Maybe. Not without ripping the box, but whatever works. Okay, I got into it. Y'all see my Halloween stuff over there on the bed? I'm loving it. I'm ready. It's cute. So it always comes with this card. It's like a care card, and it's got info and stuff. Okay, this is a color of bag that I have wanted ever since I first got into Portland leather. At least one of my subscribers put me on to Portland. I'm gonna have to make this quick because I think my daughter's texting me. She's practicing for the game tonight. So this is the color Lava, and it's a small bucket bag. Ooh, that is so cute. You see the lava color with all the little color variations in there? I love that. That is so cute. This is also almost perfect. How do I get in here? Okay, here's the crossbody strap tucked in. I'm sorry if I keep getting out of the screenshot. Okay, so I can open it up plenty to get in and out of there. I like that a lot. Lots of paper in here. It's just the raw leather on the inside and the drawstring here. And there is a pocket right there with the... Okay, some of the pockets lift out, but this one does not. But it's got the tag in there. And a card with Portland leather on it. This one smells different too, but I love it. It smells so good. So I will just pull that. This'll be cute. I love all the different colors in this lava. That's why I fell in love with it. It's just so pretty. Well, y'all know what video is coming next, don't you? I can't wait. So I had gotten these pouches to go in here, but this is a little smaller than what I expected, so I don't know if I'll use them with it or not. I'll decide. I'll mess around with it and see. Y'all know how I pack things, so I might be able to do it. I guess the almost perfect... This is that crease right there, you know, but that won't even show up by the time I get it stuffed with all my things, you know. And you carry leather and it's going to show up little imperfections here and there anyway. And so, yeah, my friend Deborah had told me that this strap was really, really long, and I see it is. Like, it's really long, so I'm going to have to adjust that. But this is so cute. Like, I would want to carry this as a shoulder bag because I don't really like crossbody. Like, I didn't know why, and somebody explained it. Somebody else said they didn't like crossbody. And it's because you have something coming across you right here. She explained it that way, and I was like, that's what it is. That's why I don't like them. So I'm going to carry this as a shoulder bag. But anyway, be on the lookout for this little cutie stuffed with my things soon. And so that's going to be it for now. Thank y'all for watching once again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.